How to update Zengo wallet from Google Play Store. Are guys facing issues to update Zengo wallet from Google Play Store? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To keep your Zengo wallet secure and running smoothly, it's important to stay updated. On Android, open the Google Play Store. Once you open the Google Play Store, just simply tap on search bar and search for Zengo wallet. After search for it, click on the Zengo app. You can see the option for update. If it's shown on your device, just simply tap on update. You will see an update button, tap on it, wait for the download to finish and you are done. And if you are using iPhone device, on iPhone open the App Store, tap a profile icon at the top right and scroll down to see available updates. If Zengo is listed, tap update. If you don't see it, that means you are already using the latest version. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna update Zengo wallet from your Google Play Store or App Store. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.